engine is out with the help of Mr. Mark Simpson from Simpson's Classics. Go check out his channel.
Link in description.
Yeah. Tune?
Yeah, I'm already starting cleaning, mate. I've been rattling to start cleaning this. So yeah, just testing. So I think the next dry day, I think I'll get it out and degrease it, wash it all, soap it all. Yeah.
Perfect. And then over here, the old 2,000 mile Mayfair.
Yeah, he's coming out of that next week as well. Rebuild.
So engine's out, the cylinder head's off. That's over.
Needs a new race subframe as
this
well.
gimbal's awesome. Yeah, cylinder head's here, so that's going to come back with me to Wales. I'm going to rebuild that, and then there'll be a little bit of a build series on that. And yeah, try and go a bit more step by step of what I'm doing. Strip some of the paint off, and then it'll be ready for a repaint and fit it back in. Now the reason that he's taking it out is to bear with us. It's to actually repaint the engine. So the engine bay was a bit mucky. Yeah, it is what it is. It's a
I can't swear, can I?
nope. It's a
You know what I'm gonna say, don't.
it's a 1970s car, so it's been on the road for a long time. It has had a full rebuild, but just wear and tear and driving and stuff has got oil and stuff. So now the engine's out.
I drive my cars.
He can clean it. So that's all going to get cleaned up. And over here, which if you check out Alex's channel, he's going to put a video up as well.
I upload a video once every 6 months, guys.
Yep. You can see that the paint's all peeling off. So it's got red paint and then green paint over the top. So that's going to get a big overhaul this winter.
I'm going to paint it blue, mate.
Blue? Why,
Yeah.
why blue?
Blue, because I like blue. It look good blue, won't it?
Well, it would actually. I think it looks really good. But yeah, I don't know what he's going to do with that, but I'm going to clean up the head and back to you.
Next time you see this engine, it will look very, very sexy. Because I'm going to spend hours on it. I'm going to do a new water pump as well. I might even do that myself. Do you reckon I've got the capability to do that myself?
Yeah. What's the worst that could happen?
I could mess it up.
Well, possibly, but yeah. So, the engine's out. It's taken a little bit longer than maybe planned, but we had a laugh. We spent most of the day talking
I've even got dirty
nonsense.
Fingers.
Yeah.
Dirty fingers.
You feeling okay?
Yeah, getting stuck in, aren't I?
Yeah, that's the spirit. So yeah, I will leave this video here and get back to sunny Wales.